everyone, welcome back to the car updates. The 2025 Dodge Demon is here to reclaim its throne as the ultimate performance car. From the moment you set eyes on this beast, it's clear that it means business. With a muscular stance, wide-body design, and a ferocious front fascia, the Demon looks ready to devour the competition. This car isn't just about appearances. It's a statement of engineering and passion for those who crave adrenaline and speed. Let's dive into everything this monster has to offer, from its exhilarating performance to its cutting-edge technology and unmistakable design. At the heart of the 2025 Dodge Demon lies a supercharged HEMI V8 engine that delivers earth-shattering horsepower. Dodge has taken things to a new level, offering over 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production cars ever created. The 0 to 60 time is jaw-dropping, achieved in under 2.5 seconds, thanks to advanced launch control and a specially tuned suspension designed to handle the immense torque. The quarter-mile performance is just as impressive, with the Demon conquering it in record-breaking time. This is not just a car, it's a track weapon that's also street legal, offering a thrilling driving experience that few can rival. Handling all that power requires a chassis and suspension system that are equally impressive. Dodge has equipped the Demon with adaptive dampers, lightweight materials for improved agility, and massive brakes to ensure it stops as impressively as it accelerates. The wide-body stance gives it unparalleled grip and stability, making tight corners and high-speed maneuvers feel effortless. For those taking it to the drag strip, the Demon includes specialized tires and a launch assist feature to maximize performance. Inside, the 2025 Dodge Demon is a blend of function and style. You'll find a driver-centric cockpit with all the necessary controls within arm's reach. The lightweight bucket seats are supportive yet comfortable, ensuring that long drives or track sessions are equally enjoyable. Carbon fiber accents and Alcantara upholstery give the interior a premium yet sporty feel. Dodge has also ensured the car doesn't skimp on technology, with a large touchscreen infotainment system offering navigation, performance tracking, and seamless smartphone integration. But for purists, there's also the option to strip down the interior for weight savings, highlighting the car's versatility. One of the standout features of the new Demon is its attention to detail. From its advanced cooling system designed to handle extreme performance conditions, to the optional drag strip package, Dodge has thought of everything a performance enthusiast might need. Even the aerodynamics have been fine-tuned, with a large rear wing, air intakes, and diffusers that not only look aggressive, but also provide functional downforce and cooling. Despite its track-focused nature, the Demon is surprisingly practical for everyday use. With adjustable drive modes, you can tone down the power and stiffness for city driving, or unleash its full potential with just a flick of a switch. The Demon isn't just about raw power, it's about delivering a versatile experience that can thrill on the weekday commute. To wrap things up, the 2025 Dodge Demon is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, blending raw, unrelenting power with modern technology and design. It's not just a car, it's a statement of intent for those who demand the best in performance and style. Whether you're a drag strip enthusiast or simply love the thrill of a high-powered muscle car, the Demon delivers in every way. This car is not for the faint of heart. It's for those who want to own the road and leave everyone else in their dust. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the most exciting cars of the year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the 2025 Dodge Demon is your dream car. Until next time, stay fast and stay passionate.